Ready to transform your Veo 3 videos from good to unforgettable? Let's jump straight into adding sound and unlock the full potential of your game footage first. Import your Veo 3 video into your preferred video editing software today. I am using Adobe Premiere Pro, but Final Cut Pro, even free options like DaVinci Resolve will work just fine. Once your video is imported, drag it onto your timeline. This is where the magic happens. Now, it's time to add your audio. This could be music, a voiceover, or even ambient sounds recorded separately. Drag your chosen audio file onto a separate audio track below your video. Listen to both the video and the audio together. You will probably need to adjust the volume of the audio track so it complements and does not overwhelm the original sound from the Veo 3 camera. Use the audio editing tools, the Finetune Sound fade the music can and out for a professional touch. Cut out any unwanted sections, experiment with different sound effects, even add commentary to highlight key moments. To add a voiceover, record your commentary using a microphone, import the audio file, and place it on another audio track. Remember to sync it with the video footage. Once you're satisfied with the audio, preview the entire video. Make any final adjustments to ensure the sound and video are perfectly synchronized. Finally, export your video in your desired format. Share it with your team, your followers, and enjoy the enhanced viewing experience. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Veo 3 tips and tricks.